Hey, I'm Paul Yaffe from Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and I'm here at Dennis Kirk today. Well, we are super excited about partnering up with Dennis Kirk. I think what makes Dennis Kirk so appealing and so exciting to us is their unique philosophy on the way they approach our industry and the market and their customer base and their core customer. They have alliances with longtime industry partners of mine and friends such as Michael Lichter and the Callens from Cycle Source magazine. On any given day, I'm on a motorcycle thinking, oh, I wish I could heel shift differently. I wish I could, shoulder didn't hurt, or I felt more aggressive doing whatever it is I'm trying to do, or I want my seat more comfortable, or these products that we design and we bring to market are born from my riding. And then I'm very aesthetic too, so I look at motorcycles in a different way. First thing when I get a motorcycle is I look at it and go, what do I hate? Harley came out with their new line of Softails over the past couple of years, right? A big line, 12, 15 different models of Softails. I can't just make 500 products for Softails, right? So I have to look at it and think, okay, what do I hate the most? So the first thing we decided is we hated these big taillights that they had hanging off the struts, which we call mouse ears, and we hated this plastic side mount license plate thing they had with the hinge on it. So we wanted to clean up that, and that was the first thing we attacked. Is we wanted to make a rear fender that had a Frenched-in license plate and integrated small LED turn signals to clean up that whole rear end of every Softail. We have a very popular line of products, monkey bars, and it's one of the keys to our specific design is the very natural hand position that's key to being able to ride aggressively. So that's sometimes how we approach things is, we have to delve in with, a certain deliberateness to fixing what we hate the most, and then watching models rise. The Lowrider S, the new ST, super hot. So those are the products we gravitate towards those bikes, and we want to make lots of products for those bikes. The Sport Glide's a real popular line, and now they've taken both of those and melded them together, right? So we're going to have this whole line of products for those. So people all the time ask me what my favorite bike build is, and they're all like children to me. So and my bikes, even though I build you a bike and you take delivery of it, it's still my bike, and it'll always be part of me. And then when I get to see them years later or whatever, it's always cool to remember where I was or what I was doing, because when I create a motorcycle, especially some of our more elaborate custom projects, it's really takes so much of me and so much of my personality or my life at that time or what I'm doing ends up in the build, and my design eye changes, my trends change, my interests change. I'm always looking for new challenges. So they really represent periods of my career, and I can even say like, oh, that bike, that's from my so-and-so career, point when I was into this, and so the answer would be, it's usually something I'm currently immersed in, right? And so today, my favorite product is this new FXRT that I'm just finishing up for Arizona Bike Week. So it's into the heavy detail, scrutinizing every decision type thing right now. So yeah, I'm excited about it. It's taking nice shape. So make sure you get over to the website at denniskirk.com and check out everything new from Paul Yaffe and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation.